Ito si Conquistador. He himself flew third overall sa North Derby races. Sa unang taon pa lang ng breeding niya, he already produced 8th overall sa South Derby races naman. Tapos siya rin ang tatay ni Duncan. This is a dam ni Duncan, si Genesis. I bought her kasi apparently yung nakakuha sa kanya directly handpicked this kay Janus. Kasi nagbukas sila ng dalawang facility which was intended to produce mga OLR birds nila. And this guy, si Steffel, really is known for very particular sa conformation. So ang understanding ko, he went direct to Janus to handpick. Tapos unfortunately, hindi ko alam kung hindi nagkasundo or what, pero that group decided to pack up. Basically, ang nangyari, sinara na rin facility. Tapos, ang ginawa, binenta lahat ng ibon. So, this is a very good opportunity that time. Kasi alam kong handpicked eh. So, binili ko.
So, it is a Janus bird?
It is a Janus bird. Bred by Janus to talaga. Ang pinagkaiba sa most that we get from is yung mga pinapa-auction ni Janus na pero ito talaga hinandpick, pinuntahan doon.